Hello, welcome to the bee embroidery tutorial. Start where the bottom of the knot going to be. Pull out your needle and then bring it back down on the other end of your knot. And then bring the needle up through the point where you first brought it up. Put your finger behind the needle and start wrapping it around your needle. Wrap 4 times. Squish wraps down. Now hold the thread around the needle between your fingers. Not too tight. Wiggle a bit the needle up and it will come through those threads. Pull this thread away from the knot. Now, little by little, tighten the wraps around the inside thread. Take your needle and go back down in the end right here, under the end of your knot. You have your first knot stitch. Make second one. Now wrap the thread 5 times. Third one is the same as second one with 5 wraps. Last one, 4 wraps like first one. Yellow knots. Make one between first and second black stitches. Wrap 5 times. One more, the same as first. We made beautiful bee body. Third and fourth black stitches are bee's head, so make wings behind the head. Use white thread. Bring your needle up and go back down through the same point. Then bring the needle on the other end of where you would like it to be. Wrap your needle once. Now pull this needle with thread away from you. Take your needle and go back down right here. First wing done. And one more wing. Our bee is ready to fly. You can embroider these bees on gloves and be creative. Use different color combinations. Thank you for watching.